Hey, amigo, you want a taco? Nah, mate. I'm more of a fish and chip man myself. Like a fish taco? Nope. You either need a doctor or you're bloody constipated. While he continues to contemplate whether he needs a bloody dump or not, make sure you subscribe to knobhead content and like. Speaking of knobheads, here he is, trying to make a taco. It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. Bloody love Mexican food, me. But this is not Mexican. This is Stephen Dolbycan. This is not Mexican. So what am I doing? I'm doing marinated chicken tacos with a jalapeno salsa and some pickled onions and some cheese. Absolutely simple, so beautiful to actually make. These are really, really nice. So I'm gonna crack on because I've got to marinate this chicken, and it's all about the marinade with this chicken. All about the marinade. So for the marinade, it's very simple ingredients that you will have in your kitchen. If you haven't, you're up shit creek, aren't you, really? So, garlic powder, gotta have that. Smoked paprika, you gotta have that. Balsamic, if you ain't got that, you need a smack. Onion powder, you must have got that, Olive oil, if you ain't got that, forget it, shut it down. You don't. That's it. So I've just got some chicken strips that I need to actually use. I'm gonna marinate these. Very, very simple. And this is all about the marinade. This is all about the marinade. I can't stress enough. So add your chicken to a roasting tray or a bowl. I'm using a roasting tray. So what do we need? Olive oil. Plenty of that, get that on. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I'm loving this in a minute. I'm using it in my cooking a lot. Balsamic vinegar, get that on. You want a bit of smoked paprika. Some pepper, no salt right now. Bloody hell, we're doing it. Don't speak too soon, Steve. Right, let's give a good mix. That's mixed, I'm gonna wrap it, I'm gonna marinate that for at least 1 hour, 1 hour. I mean, you can marinate that for at least 4 hours. 4 hours, the better, but I'm bloody hungry. So while that's marinating, I'm gonna make a jalapeno salsa. And I've got jalapenos. Right, these are done. You want these to be black and soft. Right, I'm gonna put these in a bowl. I'm just gonna wrap it, steam it, and then I'm gonna remove the skins. So while that's steaming away, we're gonna make a quick onion pickle, and I mean quick. It's a close-up lens, I can't go in and out. I'm gonna add some lemon juice, and that'll balance the sugar and the vinegar out and make it more mellow, and it'll just be very, very nice. So add that in. Add that in now. Right, make sure you push all the onions down in that oil so they can marinate and be soft. I forgot, these go in the fridge. Right now, these should be good to remove the skin. This time I'm wearing gloves for these. Last time I didn't wear any gloves. Pinky and Perky weren't happy, if you get my drift. Sounds like a bloody tank. As soon as I'm about to speak, Is Steve about to speak? Yes. Skin's been removed. I've left some of the char marks on. You don't. Yeah, that's fine. I've kept the seeds in. Now you can take the seeds out. I like it spicy. A bit of a, you know. You can use cilantro. I'm using basil, and some garlic. I'm going to blitz everything up. Get on, you bastard. Right now, add your oil. I'm pretty happy I used gloves for the jalapenos because last time I did, that was an unpleasant experience. That was a bloody nightmare for 3 hours. Then add your oil. I forgot to add salt and pepper. That smells amazing. That's going to be amazing on the tacos. That really is. It's got a kick. It's got a big kick. Because I didn't take the seeds out, but it's going to be amazing. Bloody boiled eggs. What? Why? Why? It's all about what's in here that makes this dish. So it's cold now, so leave it at room temperature and then we'll grill it. Just got to tuck in. I mean, just look at that beauty. I mean, it's very, very simple. Marinated beautiful chicken, queso fresco cheese, got really nice saltiness, jalapenos, salsa sauce, pickled onions for some, you know, pop, and some basil as well. Soft tortillas, grilled, beautiful. Just got to tuck in. Oh. It's got a kick. It's beautiful. It's delicious. That marinated chicken, that's the key. Get that marinated chicken right and you're onto a winner. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.